I have this Arzopa 14-inch digital picture frame. The brand gifted this to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. The first thing I wanna show you is the exterior on this. So it's got this really nice gold frame around it. Again, it's 14 inches diagonal viewing. It's really thin. You can hang this on the wall. You can see right here and here, there's little hanger holes to hang this either in landscape or portrait mode. So with the kickstand on the back, if you don't want to hang it, you can set it onto any surface and display it in either landscape or the portrait mode. Connect it to Wi-Fi, download the Arzopa app. Once you have the app on your phone, you're going to be able to send pictures from your phone directly to the picture frame. So I just have a random, some music here. We're just going to go ahead and upload that, and it is uploading. We just got notification here. If I scroll over, just swipe with your finger, there you go. That is the photo that we just uploaded from the app. You can also upload videos to this as well. I'm not gonna be able to show you the actual QR code in this video, but there is a QR code here under my hand. You can have family or friends scan that QR code. It will link them to this frame and they can add their own photos to the frame. If we go ahead and click here, that's going to bring up our gallery, and you can go ahead up here in the right hand corner and I can add a new playlist. I can add different folders, but right now we're going to cancel that, and we just have this one right here. Just touch this. I have 3 photos in here. This is about 32 gigs of memory in it, so when you're sending photos over from the app, you're going to be able to do about 32 gigs worth of media files. If you have multiple photos, it's going to go ahead and just swipe through the photos automatically like on a loop. You can go ahead and set your screen brightness. Let's go ahead and bump this all the way up. Why not? When you play your video, you also are going to have a speaker on the back. It's not the greatest speaker, but it does work. But they do give you an audio jack, and you can do, which you could plug this frame into a nice speaker and get good quality sound, which I definitely would recommend. You'll be able to load pictures on here and play pictures and videos through an SD card, which you can put there. There's your audio jack. You can also put a USB drive in here as well and transfer files, and they also have USB-C. And if we go to this mode here and set it up, it's automatically gonna go ahead and change the orientation. This was so easy to set up. This is gonna make a great gift. If not a gift, get it for yourself. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.